Welcome back. Damn, you can't see me.
Hold on.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing the Oled style tail lights from Keys Motorsports. Got Miguel, birthday boy, just turned 21 yesterday.
That's the reason.
By the time you guys see this video, it'll probably be like 3 days after. So swing by, drop a comment, happy belated birthday. This light went out on him, so instead of him just replacing this, he decided to just go ahead and upgrade, which I don't blame him. You always got to find an excuse to upgrade. So we're not really going to be doing a tutorial, right?
Right.
He already started taking apart the trunk, so it's pretty much self-explanatory. From my understanding, these are actually plug and play. It's not like the F30s where you have to do a separate wire, where you have to run a separate wire going from here, making its way up here. Oh, you do?
Yes.
Okay, I guess you do. So it's, I guess that's so the inner brake light works. Okay. So I guess it is the same thing.
The only problem is it's not like, unless you can pull this out, it already comes with the clip.
Let's go ahead and take these out. Take a sneak peek.
I took the plastic off.
You did the fun part already. Yeah. Probably would have been better if we did it in here. But we're gonna pretend we don't have a garage. And this is how you do not do a tail light swap.
I'm fucking squeezing it.
Here, let me try.
He said, "My try." Where did you squeeze it?
I think it was already out.
Oh,
Oh no, yeah, I mean this, but I think it was already halfway out.
Oh. See, like
this, it's like 3 shades darker.
Yeah. I saw a couple people said that too. So, see, this is the only
looks
other
nice
thing.
Though. So I just want to give you guys a little update. We were trying to figure out why the tail lights weren't going in all the way, and turns out that these are the adjustment points. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So these are the adjusting points. You're supposed to turn these to twist it in and out, but we kept twisting it, so it looks like whenever they put these in, they ended up stripping them. So all I did was just keep spinning and spinning, so there was no way for us to get them out. So the only solution was to go ahead and just Dremel this and send it all the way, almost all the way down. So you can see how far it's sticking out right now. Let me see that one. And then that's the other side. So we took about maybe what, 2 millimeters?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. So there's the sanded one, and then the original one. So with these, it was actually sticking out quite a bit, and now with the spacers or whatever those things are sanded, it sits flush. I know the lighting is terrible, but this is all the way in, and you can see that it's sticking out. And then down here, it just creates a gap underneath the tail light. Like I said, it's not the best lighting, but it gives you an idea. So it's got a lot of play. Then it's got this gap going all the way across, all the way down here. So that right here is the spacer hitting against the frame of the car. So once you send this down, all you got to do is just start shaving slowly and just keep test fitting. Then it'll give you an idea, but we're probably just going to do the same thing that we did over there to this one. So it should be a near perfect fit after. Alright, so we got the tail light in, and we ended up running the wire through here, and it goes underneath the rubber molding inside the carpet, and then it comes out over here. There is a little plug that I guess on some of the tail lights, I think the F30 ones comes, the plastic piece comes out of the cables, and I guess the connector was already with the cable, so we didn't want to pull it out. And the other option is to drill the hole that's on the body of the car a little bit bigger to get it through. But we decided for the meantime, we're just gonna run it through here and then just go ahead and run the cable, tape it up, and then take it to the trunk. So just to show you guys, this is what I'm talking about. The cable already comes connected to the connector. So the head of the connector is a little too big for it to go through. So we could drill this a little bit bigger just to get this to go in all the way. Because this has to connect to the inside light over here. But because we don't want to be drilling right now, since it's late and we don't have a drill bit, we're just going to run it through here. And then later on we'll probably come back and maybe do it through this way. Alright, so now we got the ballast in here. The wires is ran through professionally, done by Miguel. Got the other one over there. So now we're going to go ahead and make sure that it works. Alright guys, here's the final outcome. Bro, you didn't let it finish.
I just clicked on it.
You locked it. There you go. Oh, that's a lot better than the ones for the F30. Because the F30 does like a multiple thing that goes back and forth, which I don't know if I really like that, but this is just like mine. Except you get the little, the line going across. Yeah, it loads up exactly like mine. So whenever they made these, they fixed it. So pretty much this is the combination of the two versions of the F30. Alright guys, so what I noticed about this is that whenever he hits the brake, it's actually flickering. So I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, or if that's what these resistors are for, which we got to figure out where they go. So we'll probably have to continue the video once we figure out, or I'll just put it at the end of the video if we figure out what the issue is. But you guys might be able to see there's like a little flickering going on with the brake lights.
It's not doing it now.
The right side is.
Oh shit, yeah. But this one was doing it before. Now
there you go.
Both doing it. They're both doing it now.
Yeah, but I don't think that's how it should be.
Me neither.
I mean, I think if both of them were doing it, I guess it's fine, but
You think it's something else?
it's those. That's what these are for.
So where the fuck does that go?
I don't know.
There's a splicer, so I'm putting that part right in the middle. Focus. Don't focus this. Because this metal piece will come down and crimp that. And also crimp the black wire, which I will put in here. It will crimp both of them together. We'll make the connection, close it up, and then I'm gonna tape it up just for weatherproofing. So what I decided, since I was gonna solder the other wires, instead of using the little splicer thing, whatever, I just soldered the wire right here. Not the greatest job. I'm not a solderer, don't judge me. I just needed it to stay. So yeah, that's what I did. So now I'm gonna cut that and put the other two wires on there, and then tape everything up, and hopefully everything should be good. And pardon the shitty video quality, but I'm on an iPhone 8. So according to the diagram, it has numbers, blah blah blah, 7 to 8, whatever. For me, it's easier. This plug, smaller one, a bigger plug. Small plug, blue goes to yellow. Big plug, blue goes to white. And we tapped into black. So I'm gonna hopefully do some type of soldering job on these, and I'll show you the results. So there's one shitty soldering job. It's not the greatest, but hey, whatever. And that's the other one. Again, not the greatest, but whatever. Just now I'm gonna tape all this shit up. Hopefully this will fix all my problems. So there you have it. Taped up there, taped up there. Yeah, sorry. But yeah, tape there. I tape this back up. And now I'm gonna tape everything together and make one big pigtail. Stand by. So, ta-da! That's the end result. Now I'm gonna put these back, put the lights back on, and see what happens. Hopefully everything should be good after this. Yeah. Well, I guess we'll let you know in the video.